Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Friday, April 4th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1, Bob likes the government. Very good. And every day, Bob goes to the bathroom. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer likes the government. Jennifer likes the government. Government. It is a group of people that we elect to manage the country. And we always say the government. Now we can make a card and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write government up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, N1. This means noun, level 1. Over here the number 70 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Government. Government. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob goes to the bathroom every day. Bob goes to the bathroom every day. He goes to the bathroom every day. It is a place with a sink, a mirror, a toilet, and a shower. Now we can make a card for go to the bathroom. Please make a card like this. Up in this corner, to go to the bathroom. Down here, please write DA1. This means daily activity, level 1. And over here the number 18 out of 30. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Bath. Room. Bathroom. Bob goes to the bathroom every day. Game over. You did very well today. Number 1, Jennifer likes the government. Very good. And what does Bob do every morning? He goes to the bathroom. Correct. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Can you say number 1? The curb. Yes, this is the edge, along the edge of a road. It's usually made of concrete, about 20 centimeters high. And Jennifer is a role model. The young children look up to her and respect her. Number 2, I expect. something to happen. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.